Well, on the 4366 the water pump went. The alternator had a chunk out of the top of the, so I took that off. I had to take that off anyways to get the water pump out. So you gotta drain it and I'll pull the water pump, and we're getting an exchange for, it's not that expensive for an exchange, so we'll get one and fix this thing up. Really? Why isn't this stuff draining? Yeah, just loosen the bolts on and nuts on these. And the compressor. The air conditioning compressor, I gotta take the belt off of this too to get the water pump. Try and get the fan off. I've gotta try and reach in from here and get the bolts if I can. Should be able to. See already, this is not gonna be a nice job. Oh, I took this spacer off. It's great. It was with great difficulty, but I got it off. Now I gotta pull the fan pulley off if I can. I think I just wiggle this. I don't think it needs a difficulty the other was. There we go. That part's off. Now I just gotta pull the bolts around the water pump and it's out. There we go. These actually weren't super tight. Could use a little bit more tightening. Can't get the camera in a good spot, but you get the idea anyways, so I'll do the rest of this off camera. Them to put nuts behind on the ones you can't get at. Real nice, and they did up there too. I'd say someone stripped it out and put a nut on, other than the fact that it's painted red, and I'm pretty sure it was original, so. Some engineers are missing things that belong in their head. But there's nothing to it to put to just thread these damn things. It's coming. I'm just not convinced this is the problem, honestly. There's a couple of dowels on it. I got it off, but I'm not convinced at all that was the problem. Not in the least bit convinced that was the problem. Oh yes. Yes it is, it was leaking out of the hole there. Yeah it was, it's leaking out of the drain hole, so yes it was the problem. Just clean this off. Okay, time to get the new pump in. Oh. Shoot, what did I do with the bolt? Here are the nut ones. Pisses me off if they kind of just threaded that and didn't need it, just miserable. There's no need for that. I'll do the rest off camera. I'm putting never sees on every one of them too. I just think that's the way to go. Find that one nut, I came to the conclusion that it wasn't anywhere where it would be a danger or anything, so I took it off. I just got a new one for the one. These are such asshole things to get at. Just tighten these like this. I'm gonna just go in from the other side and reach that one from over there, might be easier. Yeah, I kinda guess. There, I got those tightened with this. Nevertheless, I'm not totally satisfied, so I'm gonna get the ratchet and just give them a little more. The gasket will shrink in time. There we go. There we go. I think that's plenty good enough. Okay. Shit. Come on. Come on, you bastard. Start.
How you making out, Tom?
I got on but getting this other shit's the job. In for alignment, so we'll see how this goes. This thing's not nice. There we go. See if this will go. I just hope it comes out. And I think it should, but I don't know. See what it does. There, I got her started now. I had those never seized before when we changed the engine in this thing, so they should be okay. These are miserable, but I've got to get it. At least got 3 of them in, so they're not, it's home now. This is getting darn miserable, but I got her on. I just tighten these as best as I could with a 3/8 drive, and then I'll get the 1/2 inch and get them the rest of the way with that. Yeah, I got a new alternator for it. We'll get her on. There we go. Okay. Oops. There we go. Of course, I got the ratchet turned the wrong way. There we go. There we go. That part's done. The belts are nice and tight now. That was a problem. Gotcha, this is 10 millimeter, it wouldn't be the inch size. Okay. There we go. There we go. Plug this in. There we go. I just need to tighten this bottom up, and I got that part of it done. Okay, this part's done. I hooked the battery up and we're ready to go. Okay, now for the crucial step of bleeding. I have been bleeding out of the water filter light. I don't know if that's right, but that's what I've been doing. You can hear the air coming. I hope this video has earned a subscription and a like. God bless you. I'll catch you at the next one.